You smile across a crowded room, like you've got a secret only I can hear. Every heartbeat finds the groove, pulling me a little closer every year. We don't need a reason why, just the rhythm of the night. When the city lights ignite, this fire glowing through the night. Your laughter shines like summer rain, washing every worry from my soul. Every step a sweet refrain, with you beside me I feel whole.